Good morning, welcome to the Paddock in Wiveliscombe. This fantastic house with a total of 5 bedrooms is set in gardens of about 0.8 of an acre, with a triple carport and a double garage, other outbuildings as well, 3 bathrooms, everything you expect in a house of this quality. All come to the market at a guide of $850. Enjoy looking around. So there you are, the Paddock in Wiveliscombe. I hope you've enjoyed looking around. We look forward to bringing you around and you can enjoy this place in person. Thanks for watching.